Good morning, everyone. I'm your teacher Shelly Palta from California Public School. Are you fine? Be careful, stay at home, stay healthy. So, open your cursive writing book at page number 3. So, what we are going to do today, we are going to do D, and the phonic sound of D is D. First of all, let's mention the date. What is today date? It is 14 July 2020. What we do in class? Classwork. Now take a crayon of your choice. Let's do hollow pattern. First of all, you will start to do hollow pattern from down. Now go up. Now again come back in direction as you made A. Now you will not stop here. You will go up, again come back. Now do like this. Once again start from here, back like this, again come down. Dear parents, please be careful that your ward should move his crayons in same way as I am moving to learn the formation of letter D. Now go up, slightly come down, now stop. Now let's start hollow pattern. Keep your pencil here, make curve like C, again go up, slightly come down, now again like this. Now again you will go like this. Now come back in same direction, go, now go up, touch with the top line, now come back, now make a tail like this. It is done. Once again start, now come back. Now you will not stop here, you will go up, come down like this. Now again come back, go up, now down. Once again two. Now before start the page, let first of all tell me few words related to D and sound D, like the dog, the drum, the dustbin, the dig, the dip, the door, etc. like this. Now do it. First of all go up, come back, now again up, come down, now do again. Now keep your pencil on point, go and touch with the second line, slightly come, make curve, now up, again come back like this. Now again make in shape like C, but you will not stop here, go and touch with the top line, come down like this. D. Again make D like this. Now you will not stop here, you will first of all complete the joining of letter D, then pick up your pencil again like this. Now no need to stop here, just go and make like C. Now go up, now like this, move your pencil like this. Now to go up again, now go up, no need to stop here, third touch you will also make in same way like this. Now letter D joining is complete. Now you can pick up the pencil again like this, in third, joining you will do. Now pick up the pencil. Again, make curve, go up, come down, again make curve, come back, go up, in same direction come down, make D like this. Okay, my dear student, hope so you understood that how you have to attempt this page. Okay, bye bye everyone.